channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much guys for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well, and today is going to be a compilation reaction. This is K-pop idols at award shows in a nutshell. So it's been a while since I've reacted to a funny compilation, so I wanted to have some laughs. I wanted to laugh a little, so I thought maybe I should do a funny compilation reaction. So this is also one of the requests that I saw in the comments while reading the comments. So yeah, without dealing this any further, at least this will give me a chance to see all the K-pop idols, not all, but most of the K-pop idols in one single video. So yeah, let's just get into the reaction. Okay. Super excited, huh? Oh! Blackpink, and I can see Jin and Namjoon also. Bored AF. Affected. Affected. I like the name. Guys have asked me to react to Monster X also, but I have to get to that. Which song of Monster X should I react to first? Let me know. Oh my god, TXT 17! So many groups are still left. 17 also have to react to. Okay. Lisa looks so good. Damn, they look so bored. Bang, bang, bang! Yes! Yeah, I am Jin, and I'm Taeyang. Most of my friends are Yoongi because they get embarrassed AF. And if my favorite song plays, I'm gonna be. Oh wow! I remember this clip from BTS being crackheads at award shows. This was the same clip, but that time I didn't know which song it was. Now I know it's Bang Bang Bang. Look at Yoongi, all zoned out. I don't know. Who are they? Whoa! Yo! Damn his ass! They have such blank expressions, na? Because the cameras are constantly on them, so I don't know if deliberately they are asked to, just keep like a poker face. Let me know. Stray Kids! Han! That's Han!
Red Velvet!
Red Velvet. I have to react to Red Velvet also. Ah, Jisoo. कुछ भी. Yeah, but what to do if you're so bored? What to do, man? When you're bored AF. And I am sure these shows run for hours because so many categories, so many groups are also probably performing. So minimum 2 to 2.5 hours, I'm sure they are just sitting there. I don't know who they are. Oh, that's from EXO, that guy. They are so awkward. I think I've seen the girl also somewhere. Oh my god, I don't remember. But I think I've seen her. Oh my god. So awkward. Oh my god, that was so weird. Why wouldn't he go? I think she would have told no, it's fine, I'll get up. Right? He just ignored. Did he just ignore? Oh! Oh, him! I would have also reacted to her like that. She's my new lady crush, guys. Hwasa is my lady crush. Oh my gosh, she's so sexy. Of course, Taeyang, reacted like that.
One week later.
Wait a damn minute.
Yeah, what the hell? Who are they? Oh. I don't know who she is. I'm sorry. Oh, they look completely starstruck. I'm sorry, I don't know who that idol is. Please let me know. Yeah, like she's completely starstruck. Rose. Oh, that's a running thing with Blackpink, huh? All four girls confused where to go.
Thank you to everyone out there, like all our blinks and all our listeners and watchers. We're always very thankful.
Adorable. I love these girls.
Thank you to Kayo Dejon for giving us this amazing award. Golden Disc Awards. I'm very, very sorry. Thank you so much.
Poor. Oh my god. Yeah, I would have been really embarrassed. Really embarrassed. BTS is performing, okay? Okay. I'm sorry. Oh my eye. Oh my god. I didn't even see the full clip because Jin's expression was so funny. Oh, that has to be watched again. Oh my god. He's just about to drink the water. Namjoon is unaffected. He's like, oh, pretty girls dancing in front of me. What am I to complain? Let's just jam. Look at the awkwardness. Disgusting. Jungkook is not even looking up. Cookie, it's okay. You're allowed to look at girls, but I understand. Because everybody will just, write stuff then. Like, oh, he was staring at her. Is there something going on? That's what you guys told me, na? That's what happens. Idols are just linked just like that. Even if there is like the tiniest bit of interaction between like the opposite gender idols. Oh, from isn't that song? That's the song. I think this is just because this is the audio track that is playing. So that would be probably some other song that is playing, right? Oh my god, again.
만나볼까요? 만나보겠습니다.
Oh my god, 80s!
자,
I love them. Sorry, I love 80s. I love them.
19 마마 레드카펫 첫 주인공 에이티즈가 레드카펫에 입장하고 있습니다. 네, 시민들
Ming is just.
꾸준하게 성장하는
네, 소감만으로도 굉장히 기대가 되는데요. 오마이 갓에서
Ignores.
아니 아직이요. 트와이스가 준비한 화려하고 매력적인 팬시는 잠시 후에
Isn't that? Wasn't that? Oh my god. I'm sorry. That was twice, right? I'm sorry. Or maybe not. I could be wrong. I could be wrong.
아니야.
Wait. That looks like them. I
아직이요.
think that's
트와이스가
twice.
준비한 화려하고 매력적인 팬시는
If it's not, I'm sorry.
잠시 후에
Dio wins an award from EXO. Are they ever gonna hit him? Namjoon. That is why. Oh my god, it's over? Was it over? It started again. Wait. Oh yeah, that was the last clip. That was the last clip. Okay. So that's why they sit with a poker face, because things like this get caught on camera. This was awesome. I really needed a good laugh today and I got that. I loved this. This was a great compilation. Oh my god, I love it. And I'm really thankful to the YouTubers who actually take the time out, get all the clips together, edit them, add the background music and stuffs and the lines also on screen. So that's really great and gives us laughs, on a day where we just want to, don't want to think about anything and just have a good laugh. These are perfect videos to watch. So I had a blast. Thank you so much, guys, for suggesting me this clip. I'm really, really thankful. And yes, I will react to more compilations, more friendships and stuff like that. MVs. There's so many things, guys. So many things to react to in K-pop. So I look at your requests, but yes, it takes a bit of time to get to that. That's all. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this reaction. I hope you subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.